Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you that how to sign in with Google in Android Studio Kotlin using Firebase Authentication. Let's start. First create a new project and select empty views activity. Click next and give the project name here and select language Kotlin and finish. First enable view binding and sync the project. Now open the resource folder and layout file and activity main.xml, and now design this activity main का image view and give the id image view and a text view and a progress bar, give the id progress bar and a text view, give the id txt name and another text view, give the id txt email and one more text view and give the id txt status. And now take a button. I have take a button app compact button. You can take any button and give the id sign in Google, and take one more button for sign out and give id btn sign out. Now add a on click function on Google sign in button. Click here and hover the mouse here and create this function in main activity, and create one more on click function on the sign out button. Click this function sign out user and go to the main activity. These two functions has created. Okay. Now click on these four lines or a menu and select tools and select Firebase. Click on Firebase and now select the authentication and select authenticate using Google. Click on this and first add SDK, add the Firebase Authentication SDK. Click on this button, right, and click on accept changes. Okay, Gradle project syncs in progress. And now connect the Firebase. Click on connect the Firebase. Click on this. Okay, now click on add the project, add project, and this is our project Firebase Google Auth. Click on continue and click on continue and click on I accept the Google Analytics terms. Check this option and click on create project. Now click on Continue. Your new project is ready. Click on continue. Now click the connect. Now open the browser and search Firebase and click the first link. Now open the Firebase console. Click on get started. And this is our project Firebase Google Auth. Select this project and click. Now click on authentication. And now click on setting button. And click on project setting. Now go to your project and click on this Gradle icon. Click here and click on this execute Gradle task. And write here sign in reports and press enter. And here is your SHA-1 key. Select this key and copy. Now go to your browser in project setting and click on add fingerprint and paste here and click on save. Now go to your authentication part and select sign in method. Select Google and enable this and give an email ID here. And now click on save. And download latest configuration file. Download this JSON file. Now click on Google services.json. Download this file. And click on done. And now go to your download folder. And this is your JSON file. Copy this file. And now go to your project. Now click on this Android arrow key and open in project mode. Click on project and click on this app and copy this file copy this downloaded JSON file, copy here, and paste. Click on this app folder and paste. Click OK and click on override. Close this JSON file and now set this in Android mode. OK. Now create a variable binding and create one more variable auth. Now add a dependency com.google.android.gsm play services and sync the project. Now create a variables Google sign in client and now initialize the auth. Firebase.auth. Now create a variable Google signing option val GSO is equal Google sign in option dot builder Google sign in option dot default sign in dot requested ID token and pass here your default web client ID. So get string r dot string dot and there are no any default web client ID. So go to the select the project mode and open this Google service.json and this is your client ID. So copy this client ID, copy and go to in Android mode and pass a string dot default web client ID and hover the mouse here or alt plus enter and create string value. Click here and paste copy from JSON and click OK. Dot request email and dot build Google sign in client is equal Google sign in client job. First create a activity result launcher. Launcher is equal register activity for result. Activity result contracts dot start activity for result. And pass a condition if result dot result code is equal result okay, then wall task is equal Google sign in dot get sign in account from intent. And pass the result dot data. And they manage the task and create a function manage task. So manage result and pass the task right. Create a function manage result. If task dot is successful, import the class task and both dot is successful. Then wall account Google sign in account. Task dot result and I pass a condition here if account null update UI and pass here account. Now create a function update UI. Hover the mouse here and create function, right? Wall credential is equal Google Auth provider dot get credential account dot ID token and pass is null, right? Auth dot sign in with credential, pass here credential dot add on complete listener, yeah, and pass a condition here. If it dot is successful, then if login successful, verification successful, then binding dot progress bar dot visibility, progress bar dot visibility is equal view dot invisible, and create a toast message. Now create a function for user info. So private fun verify user. I am creating a function for verify user to retrieve user info from Google. So first create a wall. You can create any verify user or user info. Wall user is equal Firebase dot auth dot current user. So user dot let right, create some variables. Wall name is equal it dot display name, and wall email is equal it dot email, and create a user photo. So we need a photo URL. Wall URL. Photo URL is equal it dot photo URL, and now we need a verification, verified or not verified. Email verified is equal it dot is email verified. Binding dot txt name equal name dot text binding dot txt email and dot text and if user is verified, so if email verified, then binding dot txt status dot text is equal, and pass here verified email else not verified email, right? Now display the image from photo URL. So create a bitmap wall image bitmap null wall image URL is equal photo URL dot to string. Now use the executor service for displaying image. First create a variable wall executors dot new single thread executor. Executor service dot execute try catch. Wall in open stream. Image is equal bitmap factory dot decode stream in. Change this var right, not a wall. Run on UI thread. Try. Threads dot sleep and give 1 second. And binding dot image view dot set image bitmap and pass here image right, and complete this catch portion. Catch e e dot printress, and this is verify user. Now pass this verify user here on UI update. When user verify, then data will display. When user sign in, then this data will display. So verify user, pass here, right? And now launch this launcher on the Google sign in button. So first create a sign intent. So var sign intent is equal Google sign in client dot sign in intent, and now launch the launcher. Launcher dot launch sign in intent. When launcher launch, so display the progress bar. So binding dot progress bar, set visibility, view dot visible. When user click on sign out button, so Firebase dot auth dot sign out, and make a toast message here, sign out complete. Toast dot sign out, and all text views, make the all text view clean, and image null, set the image null. And now create one more function on start, check the current user. So on start, create a variable val current user, auth dot current user. Pass a condition here, if current user not equal null, then pass verify user. If user is exists, then login, then display the user data. Almost everything okay. First go in the activity main.xml and select this sign in button and insert here, select here drawable left and select drawable common Google sign in icon. So I am selecting icon light, and this is looking like this. So now run the app. Now click on sign in button. and select the account here, and progress bar is running. Select this account. Now we get a user profile image, username and user ID and verification status. Now click on the sign out. So app is working perfectly. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.